Hey, what's happening, guys? Dan Darrow here with another Options to Play video update. I was trying to rack my brain for like a new way to describe the Megatech leadership. You'll have to try this one out, see what you think. But really, it's no longer a FANG tape; it's a TANAMA tape. All right, uh, Tesla, Apple, Nvidia. Goodbye, goodbye Netflix, Nvidia. Here we come, right? So Tesla, Apple, Nvidia, Amazon, Microsoft, Alphabet, Tanama. All right. These are the stocks that matter. They act phenomenal. They keep going up, right? They are driving the indices higher. Not necessarily exactly on their own, but they're doing a lot of the heavy lifting. And today was really a even more unusual market than what we've seen because the best stocks, the best in breed, just keep getting stronger, right? Like Microsoft, Amazon, Apple. I mean, like these names are at or near their 52-week high, and keep going, right? So you have like this really narrow leadership that just keeps pushing and pushing and pushing, right? But on the same side, you have on the opposite side actually, you have stocks that are broken and just keep staying broken, right? So names like Zillow breaking down, right? Names like PayPal, right? This was a recent leader, right? Still can't bounce. So like these are like just today, you got stocks that are breaking the 52-week highs and stocks that are breaking to the 52-week lows. And it's not just these, like Penn breaking down, right? Twilio was like a recent one starting to break down. Hood still under like serious pressure breaking down. So you have winners that keep winning, losers that keep losing, and the separation just keeps growing, right? In terms of trades, sometimes, like we can sit here and wonder why it keeps going like this and how long is it going to keep going like this. But sometimes it's easier just to trade what's in front of us, right? And I don't understand it necessarily. I'm sure that, some tax law selling's playing into it, some like catch up, like chasing performance, right? Trying to like benchmark different things is playing into it. But at the end of the day, we're traders, right? So we have to do what's in front of us. And right now, it's saying that like broken stocks under moving averages that are either had weak earnings or have been weak for a while are really starting to work to the downside, right? And leading stocks, so it's not just like the big names, but like leading stocks that are riding moving averages that are staying strong, that are holding above the 8 EMA, the 20-day, keep working on the upside. So yes, at some point it's going to reverse, or maybe not reverse, but at some point like this sort of separation is probably going to narrow, right? Like you probably start to see some recovery in the beaten up names and some pullback or pauses in the leading names. But until it does, let's not try to overanalyze it. And myself included, I fall into that category too. Sometimes like I'm like, oh, it can't keep going, it can't keep going. But right now, that's what's working, and that's really where the focus should be because like that's where the money's moving, right? So beaten up, broken names are getting hit, and strong names, leading names are continuing to trade higher. Okay, it's the Tanama tape. Tanama. Oh, sorry, I won't sing. But if you're looking for a reason why the indices might be going up and you see a lot of stocks are going down, it's really because of the makeup of it, right? It's those big names that just keep driving the indices higher. Okay. So we'll see. Get some earnings coming up to after the close. Some big names next week with a short week, but also some big names on the calendar next week too. A lot of tech names actually. As late in the quarter as we are, so it should be interesting. Um, so if you like this video and you're looking for more information about swing trading with options, please follow up with the link in the description of the video for more information on options to play. Have a great night. Stay well, and we'll talk to you all tomorrow.